因为那个调色小调色，
黄也是有的。
啊耶。没有。没有黄。No. We decided no yellow.
Yeah,
I got strictly instructed no yellow.
Wow, they're colorful.
Well, the thing is, I don't know. You know, like at first I thought I should. I think if I was like strict and said okay, no water, just like be precise, then it would be me. But this way, like they really do it as they want it. Maybe I just help a little bit visually, but like they're doing the work.
Okay, we stay with the red and blue, right?
那个叫什么？真美，不是加那个叫什么名字？雨娟拿过来一下，我还是。
Hey, what's your name? Jason. Jason. What did you say?
你要怎么样？不是你要跟他说什么？我帮你讲。
She's asking which color?
Is this line blue and this one?
Well, whatever she wants to do.
不是啊，看你啊，随便你喜欢哪个都可以啊。不选其他颜色还是？
You. Ay. Oh shit.
Come on, go. 花花。
坐在这边好了。夹死了，
Okay, so 这个。
绿色。绿色是。你觉得黄色绿色？那我跟不可以一样的。哦。
I'm not sure. I'm here like 20 minutes.
加油！
你看。
I think Pentax only has like maybe Canon. But Pentax has that crazy array of colors. Yeah, pink world.
要有白一点的也要画红色。
Yeah, that's cool.
你看，不要让有白白。你看得出来了。
我们刚刚印象真的。